Hello and welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Hope you all are doing fine. In today's video, we are going to see how to make cake pops, one of kids' delight. This is a very quick and tasty recipe and is a must-have in your Christmas menu this season. So let's get started with the recipe. So here I have some leftover homemade vanilla cake which I have finely crumbled them with my hands. And now into this gradually I'll be adding some whipped cream. You can also add buttercream frosting if you want. And with clean hands mix it so that the whipped cream combines well with the cake crumbs. Add the whipped cream bit by bit to know the correct texture, cause if we add too much it will turn soggy, and if added less then it will be dry and the cake pops will fall apart. One good way to know the correct texture is to hold some amount of cake crumbs in your palm, and if there is no cracks means it is of perfect texture. So now we shall start making the cake pops. Now take equal amount of the cake crumb mixture in your palm and roll them into small balls like this. Similarly, I will prepare some more cake balls. Keep rolling until you get even out surface and round balls. As you can see, I have finished making the cake balls. Keep them aside. Next, you will need some melted dark chocolate. Now take a popsicle stick, dip it into the melted chocolate and insert halfway through the cake balls. Repeat the process. And now we need to keep them in the fridge for at least half an hour so that they become slightly firm. After half an hour, I have taken out the cake balls. Next, I have taken some melted dark chocolate in a glass which should be warm. Now take one cake ball, dip it into the melted chocolate. See to it that it is well coated with the melted chocolate. Now gently pull it out and very slowly roll the popsicle stick so that the excess melted chocolate drip off. And while the melted chocolate is still warm, quickly sprinkle the cake pops with your favorite sprinklers so that they stick well on the cake pops. Make sure you place a plate beneath it so that you can collect the fallen sprinklers later. In case you want the sprinklers which I have used here, you can check the product link given in the description section of this video. Similarly, I have prepared some more cake pops. As you have seen, this is a very quick and at the same time very tasty recipe. You can try making cake pops with different flavors and include in your kids' birthday party or any occasions or festivals. So here they go. I have arranged them in a cute mug. So friends, do try this interesting recipe. Kids will definitely love this cake pops. And if you like my today's video, then do like, share and subscribe to Continental Desi Kitchen for more yummy recipes. See you soon again in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.